Gina here at Doc Steiner in the fabulous Florida Keys. We're here sponsoring and hosting our Florida Keys Wild Bird Center event. They're here with the benefit to raise money for this wonderful organization we have down here. Doc Steiner loves to give back to our community, and we're thankful to have everybody here.
What do I want? Sorry.
They don't have any bottles. Bud Light. I have 3 glasses of wine.
You like Merlots or Cabernets? Thank you.
Good job, folks. Joni, you got the floor. Doc?
We just wanted to not interrupt your dinner. We wanted to actually thank everyone for coming and supporting the Florida Keys Wild Bird Center. This would not be possible without Doc, the Rotarians, and all the volunteers. We have a number of our staff members here. I wanted to introduce Amanda Barber is the wildlife rehabilitator, and Dave Brigham is here. Corinne and many other volunteers at the facility are here as well. So we wanted to thank all of you for the support. We haven't had a fundraiser in a long time, and we look forward to your continued support. We can't do it without you. We can't keep the birds flying without you. We wanted to thank everyone for coming tonight. Doc for all of his hosting. Thank you all for supporting the birds. Thank all of our volunteers and staff. And everything and all of his kitchen staff. Thank you so much.
No problem.